this is Leanne of Hierchiss. I recently purchased an old TV from a thrift store and have decided to turn it into an oscilloscope. This piece of shit is the TV that I want to turn into an oscilloscope, and yes, I tested it before I did this and turned it on to make sure that it worked in the first place. I've already taken the back off, but here's what the back looks like. You can see it's KTV, maybe that's the brand. There's kind of a glare. KTV. These were antenna things. I had to detach those on the inside, but they were just the slide off kind, so that wasn't a big deal. Okay. Alright, of course, that's the front of the TV. Gonna turn it around. Ouch. Okay, this right here is what the back of the TV looks like from just a straight on view. That side, I'm going to kind of turn it sideways. This is called a yolk, this area there, that thing, my doodle, just, you know, that's what I found online. And these, you can see right here, 1, 2, 3, 4, that's vertical and horizontal video image type shit. Yeah, so I've got to cut those wires and hook some shit up to it. You can see these 4 wires go into this circuit board down here that's dusty and grimy as fuck. But I am just going to take these and cut them. Voila. And they look like they're pretty skinny there. But what I have to do is strip the ends of these, and I'm going to do that real quick. And also it says to tape these off to prevent shortages, you know, to prevent anything from getting fucked up. I have the power plugged in right now, but I'm not going to touch anything on the inside just for safety purposes. I don't want to get electrocuted. I have, if you can see right here, a clip on this red to red, and then I have a black one to this yellow. If you look back here on the back, you can't really see, but the red and the yellow are the top 2 cords. You can kind of tell a little bit. But I've got those 2 running into, well, onto a 1/4 inch jack. You can see one's on the tip, one's on the body, and that is running into a tape player thing. So I'm going to turn the TV screen on. Alright, now what I'm going to do is turn the power off, and then you see this green and this blue right here. I'm going to do the same thing and see if the same thing happens and whatnot. Now I'm going to turn on the TV. Same deal. Alright, now I have the red still on green, black on yellow. I just plugged back in. Okay, let's hope I don't die from electrocution. Turn the TV on. What do we get? Uh-oh. Look at that shit. Put this on blue. There we go. Plug this back in. Turn the TV on. So now I've figured out what does what. So I'm going to connect some wires that I've cut like 4 wires, and it probably should be different colors, but I don't have different color wire. and I've spliced all the ends, and I'm gonna unplug the TV and connect all these. Okay, what I've done is connected all of these wires to those black wires I had, and just for my reference, I taped, you know, the horizontal together, and I taped the vertical together. And now what I'm gonna do is just put a little dabble of solder with my big clunky soldering gun, and then after I do that, use some electrical tape to tape it off to keep them from touching each other. Okay, seriously, I've been fucking with these wires for like 20 minutes, probably more like 30. But I decided to move to RCA's. I don't really know much about the actual workings of electronics, but for some reason it decided to want to work a little bit better. This is a screen right here, and I have one horizontal wire going in here, and one going in here, and I have one vertical wire going in here, and one going in here. Okay, and let me just start like just a beat from my keyboard. I like that. That looks cool. Oh shit. That's awesome. Now I'm gonna send it off with a really awesome beat. How about that shit? Oh yeah. Ah, fucking cat. Get out of here. Fucking cat keeps fucking up my shit.